cops put their lives on the line to keep citizens safe and put culprits behind bars. One policeman's life in Quezon City, however, ended in tragedy. But what is ironic is that he died from his own gun. Here's Ryan Ang with the details.
Officers from the QCPD Station 10 arrested these two drug suspects in a bypass on Wednesday. Police Inspector Seferino Gatchalian Jr. headed that operation.
Lumapag siya rito sa aming barangay, sa barangay Pinyahan, at nagbitaw ng illegal na droga. So naaktuhan namin sa aming pa-show buyer na operatiba.
Little did he know that this was going to be his swan song. At around 8 a.m. yesterday, a shot rang out from inside the Kamuning police station. Gatchalian was then seen leaping out of his quarters, begging for help.
Wala siyang damit pang itaas. Sapo-sapo niya yung tiyan niya na tinamaan ng
His colleagues rushed him to a nearby hospital. While on their way, the injured cop told them what happened.
Paring nagbibih siya kasi nagtanggal ng pantaas. Siyempre, tatanggalin mo yung baril, kasabi dun sa mga nagdala dun sa ospital. Nung nahulog yung baril at tinamaan yung sarili niya.
Gatchalian did fight for his life, but sadly, after an hour, doctors pronounced him dead. The 41-year-old cop has recently been promoted to the rank of an inspector early this year. His colleagues are now grieving his death and they're lost. They remember him to be a kind, dependable and hardworking man in uniform.
Nagtatrabaho ng maayos, laking kalaban at laking kapanghinayanan ng buong kapulisan.
Despite Gatchalian's narration of the incident, authorities are still going to investigate what happened and will run an autopsy on his corpse.
Para ma-establish at magkaroon ng closure o magsara, magkaroon kami ng final investigation report sa kaso. Para ma-determine natin kung ano talaga yung nangyari. Ano yung talagang balang pumasok doon sa kanyang katawan. Yung direksyon, kung nag-exit ba siya o na-embed siya sa body ng victim.
For News 5, Ryan Ang, We Are One News.
We're pausing for a quick break.